Jessica Minh Anh, and I'm back on Costa Cruises. For the past decade, I've been traveling all around the world to transform the world's most iconic venues into phenomenal catwalks. This December, I'm taking my iconic catwalk series to South America.
Rio is one of the most famous cities in the world. It has the biggest urban forest than any city in the world. Also with the redemption statues on the Corcovado, the most famous carnival.
My long-time partnership with Costa Cruises dates back to 2013 when I transformed Costa Atlantica in Dubai into the world's newest Sunday catwalk. Just last year, in Portofino, Italy, we joined forces again to produce the world's first sustainable ocean catwalk on the liquefied natural gas cruise ship Costa Toscana. This new show will mark our 10-year collaboration.
It will be a great pleasure to host supermodel, entrepreneur and Jessica Minh Anh again. She's a pioneer combining fashion and most exciting location. Last year in Portofino with our flagship Costa Toscana, we celebrate diversity with Jessica Minh Anh. Now we are looking forward to repeat another great success here on board of Costa Diadema.
Similar to my previous history-making catwalk around the world, this show will premiere a combination of haute couture, ready-to-wear, and accessory collections from different continents. I cannot wait to showcase exquisite creations by the most outstanding talents of our generation. I'm excited to enter a new continent and continue celebrating creativity and diversity in style. Let the countdown begin.